VEVOR tripod sprinkler. This thing is awesome. It has adjustments here, right? So you can have this as high or as low as you want. The higher you go, obviously the further it will go. This went all the way out to, you can hear that it's wet, out to here. So really far away. You can control it to make it go 360 degrees, or you can control the throw angle, just like any other normal sprinkler with these little clips right here. This one has a neat little nifty thing where if you want it to go 365 degrees, you just pull this like that, and now I can go 360. And it'll just keep going 360. But again, if you want to control it to only shoot from like that angle to that angle, this is where these come into play. These are adjustable very easily. And yeah, it's just an awesome sprinkler. This is where you attach it down here, right? Just a normal hose attaches, nothing special. This is where you kind of, if you want to fold it up, you use that there. But yeah, really nice VEVOR. I like these guys. Great job.